chicken nuggets. Hi guys, how you all doing? How many times have you heard, I want chicken nuggets? Even I want chicken nuggets. I will show you how to make real chicken nuggets. Simple, quick and easy. And you know what's in them. So we start with chicken breast and we're going to boil the chicken breast. So come on, let's do this.
Okay, in a pan of boiling water, add a pinch of salt. And then what we want to do then is we want to put our chicken breast straight in. And what we're going to do is cook our chicken breast for about 12 minutes. Now the reason for cooking the chicken breast first is the chicken breast will not shrink after we've cut it into cubes. It will stay exactly the same. Our chicken nuggets will be exactly the same as we cut it. So take out the chicken and let it cool. While the chicken's cooling, let's make our batter. So we need to put 2 cups of self-raising or self-rising flour in a bowl. Now I make my own homemade and there will be a link. 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white sugar, granulated sugar, a shake of white pepper, 300 milliliters of water and 1 beaten egg. And all we're going to do then is give it a good mix through so we end up with a nice lump-free batter. Okay, we need to cut our chicken and just cut the chicken into bite-sized, nugget-sized pieces, whatever you're comfortable with. Now like I say, this chicken will not reduce in size at all. So the size you cut is the size of your nuggets. And then we want to add 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, and this is a little bit of seasoning, and just lightly mix it over our chicken. And then we want to put our chicken cubes in our batter. Completely coat the chicken. Give it a little gentle stir all the way around. The chicken's very robust, it shouldn't break up. Coat the chicken, and then we want to put a pan of oil on to medium heat. We do not want to burn this. And give it a test. Drop a couple of drops of batter in, and if it rises, it's ready. And then add our chicken. Fry until lightly golden and then take out. So cook all your chicken, repeat the same procedure from the batter to the oil, take out. Now what we need to do now, the gnarly bits that are on the chicken, we just need to trim off with a pair of scissors. And that's our chicken nuggets ready for the first stage. So to refry the chicken nuggets then, we just put them back in the oil and fry till golden. Now at that first stage, that is the stage where you could actually freeze the chicken nuggets for later use, or even put in the fridge and cook the day after.
Chicken nuggets that you actually know what's inside. Nice crispy outside, really soft, juicy chicken, an absolutely fantastic flavour, 100% meat, nothing added apart from a bit of seasoning. So that's chicken nuggets made, guys. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Amazing.